Hi everybody, it's Linda. Welcome back to Tips for You. Well, I have a wonderful tip for you today to share with you about hair care, and it's a hot turban therapy treatment for your hair. Now, all you're going to need, it's so simple, is a towel and whatever oils you like to use for your hair. And I'll show you what I use in a minute. This is a wonderful treatment for your scalp and for your hair. For your scalp, it helps you bring circulation to your scalp. It helps your hair grow. If you've got dry scalp problems, this will help heal that. If you put oils on your scalp and on your hair, it will help it penetrate into the hair shaft as well as penetrate into the roots of your hair to help heal or treat or grow hair. Hot Turban Therapy is one of the most effective and easy home remedies for attaining healthy hair. It's best when applied after a nourishing oil massage. So if you're experiencing dry or damaged hair, or you have hair loss or hair thinning, this is a wonderful healing treatment to help you grow hair and repair your hair. Try it once a week for healthy, strong hair naturally. Step 1 is scalp massage. Now, I just massaged my scalp with jojoba oil. That is my absolute favorite oil to massage into my scalp when I give myself a scalp massage. That's why my hair is a little greasy. It helps grow hair. It helps repair the skin. It's very nourishing for your scalp. If you have any kind of dry, flaky scalp problem, this will help you very much. Now for step 2, which is the hot oil deep conditioning treatment of your hair. First, you're going to want to coat your hair with an oil that you like to do for a deep conditioning treatment. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I use, but you're free to use whatever you like, and you can even use conditioner if you've got a real deep conditioning conditioner that you like before you apply the hot towel. Okay, so here's what I use, and this is what I'm going to be putting on my hair. For a deep conditioning treatment, I like to use olive oil. Olive oil is wonderful for your hair. It strengthens it, gives it shine. It's a great moisturizer. It's also very healthy for your hair. It's rich in vitamins A, E, and antioxidants. It will protect the keratin in your hair and seal in moisture. You can also use coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid and medium-chain fatty acids that strengthen hair, condition the scalp, and it helps regrow hair as well. It's rich in vitamins and minerals and other nutrients, very nourishing for your hair, and it keeps your hair strong, shiny, and just looking wonderful. And you can also use that on your scalp as well. You can also do a combination of both olive and coconut, so you get the benefits of both oils. The best way to deep condition with oils is to warm them first. Warm oils penetrate the hair shaft better, sinking deep inside the cortex of the hair. You'll always want to apply your warm oils on dry hair. You want it to soak right into the hair. For a greater therapeutic effect, you can add essential oils to your scalp massage oil or to your deep conditioning oil or to both. But be careful not to add too much because you don't want to burn your scalp. Perhaps maybe only just a drop if you do decide to do it. The use of heat in this treatment can cause the essential oils to be absorbed in greater amounts. Essential oils should be chosen carefully based on your hair's specific needs. And here's a list of essential oils that can help hair grow and prevent thinning of the hair as well as graying of the hair. They can also help with scalp conditions like dandruff, flakiness, dry or itchy scalp. I personally don't use essential oils when I do a hot towel treatment. I don't want to take any chances. My scalp's quite sensitive, and if I'm going to use any essential oils like peppermint oil, then I'll use it when my scalp is open to the air and I'm not using any heat. So I've got my nice warm oil, and all you do is just put some on your fingers, rub it between your hands like this, coat your fingertips, and then just now I only work on the longer part of my hair. I do not place oil on my scalp except for jojoba oil when I massage my scalp. I find that it weighs my hair down and I don't have a dry scalp problem, and I really just need it on my long hair anyway. So after you've applied all the oil that you want to in your hair, and I just suggest, a lighter coating. Don't saturate your hair. It'll be hard for you to wash it out. Just take it back in a ponytail and put it into a bun and secure it with a pin. And let that sit on your head for at least 1 to 2 hours for your deep conditioning treatment. So now I've got my jojoba oil on, I've massaged my scalp, and I've got my deep conditioner on my hair. For extra conditioning during this deep conditioning step, you can place a shower cap over your head. That will help hold in the heat. And now it's time for step 3, our hot towel treatment. Now after you've had your deep conditioning oil on your hair for about an hour, it's time to do the hot towel treatment. I'll show you what to do with that. All you're going to need is a nice clean towel, and I like to select a thinner towel for this rather than a thicker because it's easier because you're going to be saturating it in hot water. So just get a nice big pot of water. This is warm water from the tap, but I can never get it as warm as I want, so I'll always put it on the stove and heat it a little extra. And then you're just going to dip your towel right in. Let it soak up the hot water real nice, and then start wringing it out so that it does not drip when it's nice and hot. This is nice and hot, but you don't want it too hot that you'll burn your scalp. So, just be wary. And now I'm going to show you how to apply it to your hair. Now you're just going to take your towel, put it over your hair, over your head, onto your forehead, let it hang down, tuck it underneath. And you can do this with your hair when your hair is loose as well. And gently twist it in the back and then bring it up to the top of your head. And then just sort of tuck it right under here, just to hold it securely on your head. So you get the maximum effect of the heated towel. Yes, you can twist it like you do when you come out of the shower and up over your head, but I feel like it leaves a pocket of air in the front, and I think it's nice to really get the towel lying on your scalp with the heat going in. And now this is going to continue to steam, keep your head warm. It's just so relaxing too. Your scalp, you just feel so warm and wonderful. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I always do about 15 minutes. And then you're going to shampoo and condition as usual. Now you should always condition even if you do a hot oil treatment, because you do want to have something coating your hair shaft to protect the outer cuticle from friction and from tangling, and to hold in the moisture after you shampoo. Okay, now I just took it out, and I just want to show you that you can also do it the traditional way. Just put it over your head like this, put your head down, and then just bring it up in front of your forehead and coat the sides like this, and then lift it up and put it on top of your head. And if your towel cools off and you want to do it a little bit longer, just put it back in your hot water and wrap it back around your head. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you'll give this a try. Let me know in the comments below if you try it and if you like it. And also, if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe because I have a lot more to come, something of interest to everyone. And please visit me at my blog spot where I do a lot of writing, and I'm also on Facebook and Twitter, so we can stay connected there as well. Okay, well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Bye-bye now.